Made in the USA. Proudly made in the USA out of top-quality food-grade materials. Each purchase supports American industry and factory workers. Includes 2 ice cube trays. Each tray makes 16 nice-sized ice cubes for a total of 32. Flexible and durable ice trays. Ice cubes release easily with just a twist. Stackable. Trays stack easily and neatly in the freezer without sticking to each other. BPA-free and dishwasher safe. These Kitch Ice Trays are 100% BPA-free and safe to wash in the dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. Great for baby food. Perfect for freezing baby food puree. I covered with plastic wrap and once frozen, popped them out to store in plastic containers in the freezer. The puree was a little hard to get out when frozen. Had to let it sit for a couple minutes, then gently twist trays and everything popped out. Great quality plastic, only downside was that color-saturated foods did stain, like carrots. Perfect price point for what you're getting.